The Hermes autonomous AI agent is shifting away from the command line. We now have an official standalone desktop application. Today, we will execute a secure installation, bypass a known API connection bug, and lock down its security settings. To get started, you only need your computer and a free account with OpenRouter. There are currently fake versions of this application circulating online. Do not search for this manually. Use the verified download link in the description below. Configuring this environment correctly from day one ensures that the agent handles complex tasks reliably without failing on basic dependency errors. Look at this browser mockup highlighting the verified URL. Downloading from an unverified source exposes your system to malware, so ensure you are on the official domain before proceeding. Select the download file for your specific operating system and run the standard installation. When you open the application for the first time, it will automatically download its required dependencies and prompt you for system permissions. This diagram illustrates a common failure point. Direct connections to single providers, like Anthropic, frequently hit errors and fail entirely. We bypass this bottleneck by routing through OpenRouter, instantly opening successful pathways to hundreds of language models simultaneously. Log into your OpenRouter account, navigate to your profile, and click on API. Create a new key, copy it, and paste that directly into the prompt window inside Hermes. Using a centralized hub avoids the current connection bugs and ensures your agent is never locked into a single AI ecosystem as new models are released. By default, the application opens in a bright light mode. We need to adjust this to create a sustainable workspace for your eyes. Look at this interface showing the appearance settings. Navigate here, select Dark Mode, and choose either the mono or amber theme for a cleaner look. Next, configure your primary engine by clicking the model name in the bottom left corner. Enable a top-tier model from your OpenRouter list, such as Opus 4.8 or DeepSeek. The default effort level is set to medium. Leave it there unless you are initiating a highly complex, multi-step coding task. This flowchart demonstrates auxiliary models. Instead of using your main engine for everything, the system routes specific tasks like image analysis to a hyper-optimized specialized network. Go into your settings, open the Model menu, and scroll to the Auxiliary section. Change the image analysis provider to Gemini 3.5 Flash. Treating the application as a dynamic routing system maximizes both computational capability and task efficiency. Operating an autonomous agent requires strict control over file management and security protocols. This visual shows an isolated directory on a desktop. Create a dedicated folder strictly for Hermes to containerize all of its generated files and code. Allowing an AI unchecked terminal access to your root system introduces severe risks, as unintended actions can quickly spread across your files. To prevent this, open your Settings menu and locate the Safety Approval mode. Mandate that the execution mode is set to manual and configure the approval timeout to 60 seconds. Enforcing manual containment guarantees the machine operates exclusively on approved files and never acts against your system without your explicit permission. Now return to the main chat interface to perform a system check. Type in a simple conversational greeting to ping the OpenRouter connection. If the agent provides a coherent response, your secure connection is live and fully operational. The Skills and Tools menu on the left integrates the agent with your local data, allowing it to search notes or navigate the web autonomously. Subscribe to the channel to catch our upcoming tutorials on deploying tools for real-world tasks. Your system is now ready to run autonomous agents that respect file boundaries while accessing the full power of your API hub.